there it goes. It's so hard to tell when these things fire off. It's hysterical. Hey guys, you got Daniela of Adventure and Consciousness. So many things going on, but I just wanted to come on here, take a quick breath with you while I was thinking about it. But thank you to everybody who is in here. I love you guys. I love seeing what helps you, and I would love to see you guys interact and share and grow even more. So I just want to thank all of you guys that hung through and stayed with us through that crazy last year, and here's to making 2021 totally different. New world, new energy, new place to be. So thank you guys. As for the second half, I am building the Galactic Divas Academy. That is going to be our monthly intuitive and channeling collective. Hey, Charlie! That's going to be coming out for you guys. It's going to be a place where we can meet. There's a private group on the website itself. It's going to have all of the Zoom meetings 3 times a month with the practice, with the tutorials, with all of that stuff that's going to help you figure out how to work your channeling and indeed ultimately any and all of your intuitive gifts that you want to work with the way that they work with you, and have me help you and have the guides through me help you in the way that works for you. So that's coming out for you in April, and that is what I'm going quiet to work on. Also going to be taking a little bit of a break from social media and all of the tech in general coming up in the next week and a half, because I'll be going on a little vacay out to the mountains. I gotta just, girls gotta go out to the mountains. You guys understand? I know you understand. So we're gonna take a little vacay and take a little breath away and come back nice and refreshed and be able to launch that Galactic Divas Academy with all of you and share that with you and have you come join me and make 2021 our year. Because 2020 was like, yeah, everybody's 2020. And then, so let's take what we learned, okay? Remind ourselves that it is in our hands, and remind ourselves that too, if you need to take a social media break, take your social media break. It's gonna be there when you get back. Don't worry. Let's make this year our year. Let's be conscious about it. Let's share our gifts. Let's do it. Thank you for being here. Thank you for making the world awesome. Let's keep rocking. So I will see you guys soon. You're going to see some posts coming out about the Academy. You're going to be able to start signing up for that soon. And we will get rocking and rolling. Loving it. Loving you guys. And I'll keep in touch.